Hello and welcome to Fatto A Mano, Italiano. My name is John, and today we'll be making spaghetti Cacio e Pepe. Alright, at Fatto A Mano we make all of our pasta fresh and we extrude it. We start off with 1/5 all-purpose flour to 4/5 semolina flour. We like to season it with salt and pepper, of course. As you can see, we use the extrusion process. Right now we're just mixing, and then we're going to be slowly adding in our water to the mix. From time to time you have to help the extruder out a little bit and get the clumps off of the walls and off of the extrusion blade. Alright, so as the pasta starts to extrude, you just have to cut it into your length that you like your pasta. We're going to be making just a little over a pound of pasta today for our dish. Alright, so now that the pasta has been extruded, we're going to talk about our ingredients. You need garlic parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano butter, olive oil, chicken stock, salt, pepper, and of course our handmade pasta. We're going to start off by putting in some olive oil with some butter, melt that down, and go ahead and throw in our garlic cloves. You'll see that we're going to take those out a little bit towards the end. Go ahead and add in your chicken stock now. Let's get everything up to just about a boil. Go ahead and salt the water. And go ahead and add our pasta into the water. Now, since our pasta is 100% fresh, it only needs about 30 to 45 seconds. Go ahead and taste it, and it's good. Put it into our mixture. Now go ahead and take out our garlic cloves. So slowly we want to add in our cheese, our pepper, our pasta water, a little bit more butter, make our sauce a little bit creamier. Mix it up, add more cheese, and we're done. Now let's get to the plating process. Okay, make sure everything has been mixed thoroughly together. Our sauce and our pasta has been combined into one. And we're going to go ahead and take the pasta out of the pan, put it on a plate. And the pasta has taken in a lot of that sauce, but you're going to see at the bottom there that there is some sauce left. And here shortly we're just going to be taking out some of that sauce and putting it over the top of the pasta. Finish off the plate with some more of that sauce. Top it off with some fresh cracked pepper. Add some more cheese to the top of the dish. And garnish it with your choice of herbs. Here we're using parsley. And that's it. That's classic Cacio e Pepe with spaghetti. Enjoy.